السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اليوم التاريخ الإسلامي الاثنين 29 من شهر ربيع الأول سنة 1442 هجرية. الجو اليوم معتدل والسماء صافية فالشمس مشرقة، أو السماء غائمة فالشمس غائبة. You guys have to check it because I record this early today. So, اليوم we'll review together الفعل الماضي مع الضمائر, the verb in the past tense with the pronouns, to review for tomorrow's test. The Friday was a quiz. Tomorrow is going to be test on Zoom. And we're going to go over your quiz together. And basically the test is going to be something like this, but maybe a bigger amount. هاجر مصعب مع المسلمين إلى مكة، ثم رجع إلى مكة إلى الحبشة. هاجر مصعب مع المسلمين إلى الحبشة، ثم رجع إلى مكة وتعلم الإسلام من الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم، ثم ذهب إلى المدينة سفيرا للإسلام. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. التاريخ الإسلامي اليوم الاثنين 29 من شهر ربيع الأول سنة 1442 هجرية. الجو اليوم معتدل والسماء either غائمة فالشمس غائبة، أو السماء صافية clear فالشمس مشرقة. You guys check the weather because I record this earlier today. Today I'm gonna go over اليوم with you. We're gonna review your quiz that you did on Friday, and I noticed some people did mistake. Gonna go over it to preview for tomorrow's test. We arranged it together last week that tomorrow is the test. It's gonna be basically same idea like the review, the quiz, but on a more bigger amount. عرفت, it's about الفعل الماضي, verb in the present tense, مع الضمائر with the pronouns. How we're gonna change it along with the pronouns. عرفت, but basically first, the most important thing, guys, about the changing, you have to understand. You have to understand and know which word is a verb that I need to change and which word I don't need to change. So basically, you need to go over your the verb in the past tense for anything we took about Musab. عرفت أم مصعب knew. عرفت أن ذا مصعب مسلم. So means so, or therefore حبست who. So we're gonna separate them. وعذبت who. وأخرجت who. So the who means him, refers to Musab. So what she did, she imprisoned him, locked him, and she tortured him. She let him out, kicked him out of the house. So basically, when I change from Musab to Abu Musab, those the verb that I need to what? To change. Arafat, or like maybe sometime I need to change, sometime I don't need to change. Habasat, عذبت, and أخرجت. But the who refers to Musab. So this one is going to be attached to anything. The ha here, should not forget about it. The ha, that refers to Musab. The ha here has to be attached to the verb that after you change it. And the ha here also refers to Musab. She tortured him, she jailed him, and she kicked him out. So now I'm asking you to change Musab, the mother of Musab, which is a female, and that represents Hiya, to Abu Musab, which he's a male, and that's represents Huwa. So the first thing I'm going to do about عرفت Musab, it's going to be what? I'm going to change it to عرفة. عرفة أبو مصعب. Because this is عرفت for هي عرفت هو عرفة. Now عرفت مصعب أن مصعب Muslim. That's not my business. I'm going to move. فحبسته. هي عرفت. هي حبست. هي عذبت. هي أخرجت. Now we have هو عرف. هو حبس. هو عذب. and هو what? أخرج. Now I'm not gonna forget about the ha. I'm gonna have to put the ha back again here. هو عذبه. هو أخرجه. and هو حبسه. Okay? Same thing is gonna be here now. Now we have Abu Mus'ab wa Mus'ab. That's two. And that represent what, guys? هما. هما. And we guys talk that in the Arabic language, it's a male dominant language. So either we have Abu Mus'ab or Mus'ab, but we're going to use the what? The huma for two male. Okay? So Abu Mus'ab and Mus'ab, that's represent huma. Or huma represent Abu Mus'ab or Mus'ab. We talk about if I begin with the verb, which is here, I'm going to begin with the verb عرفة. No matter how many is the noun, I have to, the verb is going to stay in the singular form. So عرفة أبو مصعب وأم مصعب. So this عرفة stays with the singular form. عرف أبو مصعب وأم مصعب أن مصعب Muslim. Again, that's not my business. I don't need to change it. So I'm going to go هو حبس. هي حبست. هما. We have two. And what we said, if we have a two and we have the Arabic is a dominant male dominant language, so I'm gonna use the two for the male. So I'm gonna take حبس and عذب and أخرج, and all what I need is gonna add the ألف الاثنين to it. So حبس عذب and أخرج. And now I go back and I put what? The ha. أخرجاه حبساه, and we have here عذباه. Okay? Only few people, like I have 4 or 5 students, they're correct. The rest, I did not do it correct. So be careful for tomorrow's test. Okay? And here again, the ha goes back. So the ha, you don't touch it because it's about Musab. Musab here. And we said refers to Musab. I'm talking about Musab. Or here Abu Musab. Here Abu Musab or Musab. So anything about Musab stays the same as. The next sentence is شارك, participated. I give you any kalima I told you. You don't know it, I'm going to give you the meaning. شارك مصعب واستشهد في غزوة أحد. We learn ما معنى استشهد, to die for the sake of Allah, to get killed for the sake of Allah in a war, to be a martyr. So now I want to change مصعب to مصعب وحمزة. And مصعب وحمزة represent what? Represent, guys, هما. Okay? هما. So as if I'm talking about huma. Okay? And again, if I begin with the verb, no matter how many is the noun, the verb stays in the singular form. So sharaka will stay sharaka. And here, sharaka also will stay sharaka, even though I'm talking about a group of sahaba. Okay? So sharaka Mus'ab. شارك مصعب وحمزة. شارك الكثير من الصحابة. A lot of صحابة. I don't change شارك no matter how many, because it started the sentence with شارك. But here استشهد, جاءت, came after after. So here I have to say استشهد. استشهد. We use the استشهد and all what we add ألف الاثنين. This is, we call it ألف الاثنين. ألف, two people. We call it ألف الاثنين. Here شارك الكثير من الصحابة واستشهدوا. We add واو الجماعة. We add what? واو الجماعة. The واو ألف, we call it واو الجماعة, and the ألف is silent. I don't pronounce it. The ألف is silent. It says استشهدوا. Okay, let's move to the last sentence. هاجر مصعب إلى الحبشة. مصعب migrated. هاجر إلى الحبشة ثم رجع, return إلى مكة وتعلم الإسلام. And by the way, this sentence was in the homework. Now again, no matter how many, and I give you even the hint here, how many, no matter how many is the noun, if it comes after the verb, stays in the singular form. So هاجر and هاجر الكثير من الصحابة. هاجر مصعب وزيد. هاجر الكثير من الصحابة, a lot of صحابة, 3 and up. But now anything comes, any verb such رجع and تعلم, learn, comes after the noun. Now I have to what? I have to change it, follow, based on how many. Okay? So now we have مصعب وزيد, there two. So I'm going to put رجعان, all what I add, just ألف الاثنين, رجعا. And تعلم will be تعلم. Okay? And here الكثير من الصحابة رجعوا, we add واو الجماعة وتعلموا. Okay? So guys, please pay attention tomorrow to how you change it, and pay attention when the noun, when the verb in the beginning of the sentence. Look here. هاجر هاجر هاجر. هاجر مصعب. مصعب is one. هاجر مصعب وزيد. There are two. هاجر الكثير, a lot of the Sahaba, still in the singular form. But anything comes after, follow. Two, we add alif. Three and up, we add wa alif, and that's wa الجماعة. If it's female, yes, I change it. See here, عرفت أم مصعب. Here عرف أبو مصعب. Gender has nothing to do with the beginning. When I talk about stays, I say stays in the singular form, not male or female. So there's no homework for today. And all what you have to do is work, study how you change the verb in the past tense. الفعل الماضي مع الضمائر. هو لعب, هي لعبت, هما لعبا, هما لعبتا, هم لعبوا. And pay attention when you do أنا and نحن and أنت and أنتِ and أنتما and أنتم. I'm gonna look for the حركات. أنا لعبت, I want the سكون and the ضم and the تا. نحن لعبنا, I want to see the سكون and the با. أنت لعب, سكون تا. أنت لعبتِ, أنتما لعبتما, and أنتم لعبتم. Okay? Please study hard. Tomorrow is a test, and that's very easy topic that you all can get a very good grade. And we're going to have tomorrow Zoom. Today, no Zoom. Okay? Assalamu alaikum, and have a nice day.